है बड़ों, ये राहते जहाँ अपना ये आंख का तारा है, ये राहते जहाँ अपना ये आंख का तारा है। ये वतन हमारा दिलो जान से भी प्यारा है, ये वतन हमारा दिलो जान से भी प्यारा है। Respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day. Today we gather to celebrate the 79th anniversary of our nation's independence. We honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought for our rights and freedom. वतन की खाक जरा एड़ियां रगड़ने दे, वतन की खाक जरा एड़ियां रगड़ने दे। मुझे यकीन है कि पानी यहीं से निकलेगा, मुझे यकीन है कि पानी यहीं से निकलेगा। Let's remember the struggle, the bravery and the vision of our leaders who shaped our nation's future. Let's cherish the value of unity, diversity and democracy that make our nation strong. ज़मीं पे घर बनाया है मगर जन्नत में रहते हैं, ज़मीं पे घर बनाया है मगर जन्नत में रहते हैं। हमारी खुशनसीबी है कि हम भारत में रहते हैं, हमारी खुशनसीबी है कि हम भारत में रहते हैं। As we move forward, let's strive for a brighter future where every citizen has access to opportunities, equality and justice. Let's work together to build a prosperous, inclusive and vibrant India. In conclusion, I want to say that खून दे देकर निखारेंगे रूखे बरगे गुलाब, खून दे देकर निखारेंगे रूखे बरगे गुलाब। हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है, हम तेरी अज़मत को सलाम करते हैं, ऐ वतन हम तेरी अज़मत करते हैं। Good morning everyone. I am Amina Iqbal. Today is 15 August and today my topic is how to make our India great. Unity and progress. To make India great, we need to work together toward a common goal. Education, innovation and community service are key drivers of progress. Let's leverage our diverse strength and talent to drive our development and growth. We must promote value like integrity, hard work and responsibility. By doing so, we can create a better future for ourselves and future generations. Let's take pride in our nation and work toward its unity and progress. To make difference by being responsible citizen and to give a short speech on Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. First of all, today is the most important day for all Indians because on this day, 1947, India got independence from British rule. We all are gathered here to celebrate 79th Independence Day and give a tribute to our freedom fighters who devoted their life for country like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai and many others sacrificed their life for country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Independence of our beloved nation India. Independence Day is not just another holiday, it is a day of honor, sacrifice and reflection. On 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British rule after more than 200 years of struggle, sacrifice and bloodshed. This day reminds us the painful journey that the country went through and the bravery of the people that refused to give up. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi.
India broke the chains of colonial rule. We must ask ourselves, what is our role now? Especially as the youth of India, what are our responsibilities in preserving and advancing the freedom that our forefathers fought so hard to achieve? India is a young nation with over 65% of its population below the age of 35. This is not just a statistic, it's a source of power. The youth are not only the future of the country, they are the present drivers of change. Whether it's through education, innovation, entrepreneurship or leadership, today's young minds must take the initiative to fight for.
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is my pleasure to deliver a welcome speech on this day. Today is the most important day in India's history. Today we celebrate 79 national independence of India. India became independent on 15 August.
So far, and I am excited to take the reins for the next performance. Now it's time for the senior category programs where energy, patriotism and celebration join our
बहाया पसीना मैदान में एक एक बूंद का हिसाब ले आएंगे, जो बहाया पसीना मैदान में एक एक बूंद का हिसाब ले आएंगे। ये भारत माँ के लाल हैं, यूं ही पूरी दुनिया में तिरंगा लहराएंगे।
To make a positive impact, we must promote values like unity, integrity and hard work. By doing so, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and future generations.
Free for the very first time. Imagine the weight of that moment. After centuries of being ruled, millions stood at the edge.
Our tricolor flying in the sky, our tricolor flying in the sky, telling tales of courage high, barefoot force, barefoot won. So we stand